What up, y'all? Welcome back to the Fit Man Cook Kitchen. If I look a little sweaty, that's just because I just got done cooking on my brand new Kamado Joe Konnected grill. So this video is actually a review video of this amazing, gorgeous grill. So I've been a huge fan of this brand for a long time. Of course, people love to smoke in them and whatnot. And use charcoal. Now, unlike their pellet Joe, this one is also charcoal, but the difference is this is an all digital grill. I'll be honest with y'all, I was really skeptical to even test this out because I had a really poor experience with a digital grill, and it was upwards of $3,000. Thank God I was sent that grill to test out, because I would be really upset because the performance was just not there. So I was crossing my fingers and really hoping that Kamado Joe would come through with a product that was just so much better, because it is their heritage. Let me walk you through some of the things that are different about the grill. Now, I just got done cooking up some kefta. Inside, you'll see the ash, but you can still see a little bit of the difference between this grill and the traditional Kamado Joes. Pop it open, boom. I always love this like little hydraulic top. And on the inside, you'll see that they have these ceramic plates. And instead of just a big pit, they have a coil, kind of like you had back in the day on those stoves. Well, actually some stoves still have that. And the coil right here is going to heat up and light the charcoal. This one is a little bit different because the heat is going to come from the bottom and not from the top. Most people with the Kamados, we like heat the charcoal on top so that way it goes down, and it just makes for a better smoking and longer grilling experience. The second thing is how to get the ash out of it. Lifting this out. This is the exact same setup as the traditional Kamado grill. See, it's falling in these little holes right here. This is how you remove the ash from the Konnected grill. So you kind of have to let the entire thing cook out and turn to ash. And then once it falls nose, then we could open up our draft door, pull this out, and all of a sudden it's filled with the ash. For all those that know about the Kamado, it's still got the same grill setup, the different layers. It comes with the standard plate, so that way you can have some parts of the grill cooler, some parts a little bit higher for those who are unfamiliar with grilling. This part is no different from the traditional grill. I want to only focus on the things that are really different. What I also noticed about this is, of course, the display, and this part of here on front for your probes. Now, it actually comes with a probe on the inside, right back there, and that's for the temperature gauge. But I think always for a more accurate reading, I like to use my own. And they have theirs right here. And so the cool thing is that once you plug this in, close up your grill, this connects to the Kamado Joe app. It was great to see the temperature of the grill, so that way I didn't have to stay outside. So today on a spring day, it's okay, but man, on a summer day, I definitely don't want to be out here. And I can check the temperature and even set the temperature from the comfort of my couch. Now, when you fire it up, I will say the grill is hot right now. It took us nearly 45 minutes to get up to 400 degrees. Since I was trying to do it exactly like the manual, but one cool thing is that the manual and also on the screen, it'll tell you to either open this draft door or close this draft door. Of course, when you open the draft doors, more air is gonna get in. Plus over here too, it'll say open it like 25%. Once I started to finagle with that, then the temperature rose pretty quickly, but it still wasn't as fast as, of course, using charcoal. One of the final features that I absolutely love about this one, it's portability. Whenever we wanted to move this grill, you would need 2 people, and it would be pretty hard to do. I'm gonna put these down. Just like, you know, women say, oh my God, I wish I had a dress with pockets, which I've never understood. I've always thought, I wish I had a grill with handles. And now you have them. I can actually pick this up myself with these 2 handles right here. So I can carry it, and it comes right off of this stand. It's a lot easier to move around than the other grills. This grill comes at a really hefty price, so it is an investment. Would I make the investment, and should you? First off, should you? That is up to you entirely. I'm gonna go and dodge this question. I really enjoy grilling. I like open fire grilling, I like smoking food, I like pellet grills, which they also have. And digital is something that is brand new. I had to wrap my head around it. And I'm not mad at it. Even if you want to go and use this grill the exact same way as the original, and fire it up from the top, you can still do that. It'll function the exact same way. But the added benefit of doing that with this one is that you can also control the temperature here. You can kind of cheat a little bit and get that fire going if you need more heat at any time. If I had to give this grill a grade, I would say anywhere between A- to B+, and it just comes down to the time spent for the grill to heat up. In all, I love this grill. I'm definitely going to be getting some future cooks out of it. And yes, I would recommend if you can make that investment. Check out the Konnected recipe because it was the first cook from this Kamado grill, and it'll give you a little bit of insight into how the grill works and to its performance. And check out fitmencook.com for more reviews and also recipes and lifestyle content to help you live healthier and happier. All right, y'all, that's it. Until next time, keep it healthful, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! Bye, peeps. Happy grilling.